Hey you guys, this is Haley from LoveLeys Hair, and I'm showing you how I go from this blow dried look to this nice flat twisted updo. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair. I use my crocodile clips to do this parting, so we're doing that. And taking it all the way around to connect so it's even. You can make this perfect with a comb, but I'm just gonna use this clip just to show how easy you can do it. All right, now that we got that parting, I'm going to take all this hair and part it the same way. See that? Get that out the way so it's in the front. And then I'm gonna part it down the middle. Now that we got that out the way, we're gonna start on this side. I'm gonna use my Influence Twist and Lock Gel because this stuff is like my bread and butter when it comes to smoothing down my edges. Take some and go around my edges where I want it to look most sleek. Get this a little bit more out the way. See how sealed that was? A little bit more over here. A little bit more over there. I'm gonna go with some more gel just along the part to just keep it sealed so it stays right here. Now, I'm gonna start my twist part. I'm gonna brush this back. Using my Tangle Teaser brush. And I'm gonna start two-strand twist. So if y'all can see, one strand here, one strand here. Put this one over top. And then I am gonna use my thumb to grab another strand of hair. And my thumb behind to grab another strand of hair. And pull them together and twist. Use my thumb to grab another strand of hair. And then my thumb up here to grab another strand of hair. And then twist. Y'all can see that. Doing it again here. Grab my thumb with one strand of hair. And then use this thumb to grab another strand of hair. And then you twist. Grab one strand of hair. With that thumb, use this thumb to grab another strand of hair. Then I twist and continue that process. And then use my thumb to grab another strand of hair. And then I twist. One strand of hair with that thumb. Another strand of hair with this thumb. And then I twist. This is the process going all the way down. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Twist and Lock Gel on my fingers just to seal it. See how tight and secure that thing is? And I'm gonna check it in the mirror too. Now, since this is the thicker side, you gotta get a little bit more creative. If someone's hair was not as thick as mine, you could just do it all in one swoop. But my hair is very thick, as you can see. So I'm gonna do it in like multiple swoops. So I'm gonna get a little bit of Shea Butter Moisture Lock from Influence as well. And put a little bit of that on my ends because they just feel a little dry. I'll just do that. So as I'm going through it, it's just a little easier to work with. Okay. And then I'm going to do a parting. Clip that out the way. And then use a little bit more of my Twist and Lock gel. Just right here. Keep it smooth, keep it sleek. And then we're gonna start twisting, y'all. So the same process, just going down, taking 2 strands of hair. But instead of using my thumbs this time, I'm going to use my thumb and my finger to just bring the strand from this side over. So, let's see. So thumb grabs your hair, finger brings it over, and twists. Thumb goes right here, finger brings it over, and twist. Thumb goes right here, finger brings it over, and twist. Thumb goes right here. See that? Thumb goes right here. Finger underneath brings it over, and twist. Thumb goes right underneath. Finger brings it over like that, and twist. Same thing. And then we twist that going downwards. And I'm just twisting and twisting. And as I twist it, I get a little gel if I feel like my hair is getting puffy. And I twist some more. And then just along the bottom, I'll just add a little bit of gel. And this will just make sure the twist doesn't unravel. And then pulling it over. So this finger goes underneath the hair I need. And then I use this other pointer finger to grab the other hair that's underneath. So if y'all can see, this finger is going underneath to create a parting right here. And then this finger is grabbing the hair that's underneath, being held by my thumb. So one more time, the pointer finger goes under the strand, and this pointer finger that's being held and secured by my thumb pulls the strand that's underneath. So pointer finger creates parting, grabs strand, held by thumb. The other pointer finger grabs the strand that's held by the thumb and creates a twist. And keep going until it becomes easy. All right. So now that that's done, we're gonna connect this hair with it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Moisture Lock. Put that on my hands, a little bit on here. So as I'm grabbing the strands, I'm not ripping through them. This will help a lot. Okay, so that's on there. We are gonna start twisting. So I'm twisting these together. And once they're all twisted together, I'm actually gonna keep it like a 2-strand twist. Grab a strand of hair with my thumb, section it out like I did on this side. Grab one, connecting it with the twist. I'll turn so y'all can see a little better. Same thing, grabbing another strand. Using my thumb as a parting to bring the hair over. And grabbing the rest of my hair with my pointer finger. Now that that's done, I'm gonna connect the twist in the back just to keep me from looking like the Wendy's girl. Using bobby pins. So how that's gonna go, I'm literally gonna turn around with my bobby pin open. I am going to tuck this one, turn my ends around it, and pin up and over so it's secure. I'm gonna have to twist it to make sure it's straight. All right, that one end is tucked. Same thing on the other side. Open up the bobby pin. Put my end around one side of the bobby pin, and then I go under, go to the left, tug downward, and go to the right. So that's gonna make it super secure. I hope you enjoyed this. Easy peasy updo. Took me 20 minutes, and I'll see you guys soon.